Annapolis has a total of 304 potential homes for sale priced between $172,000 and $24,900,000. Of those, 252 are active, 26 are coming soon, and 26 are still temporarily off the market. It's Friday, August 27, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis real estate report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Annapolis. 36 new properties were listed for sale since last Friday, with the highest priced new listing priced at $1,750,000 in West Annapolis's Wardour community. 27 properties went under contract, with another West Annapolis home being the highest priced listing at $3,299,000 to go under contract this past week. 17 moved from under contract to pending, with a waterfront in Annapolis Roads listed for $1,700,000 being the top pending in the past week. 36 homes sold with a waterfront in Fishing Creek Farm at the top this past week of $3,100,000. Annapolis pending townhome sales jumped 17.6% as Anne Arundel County is seeing a frenzy of sales for attached units. Inventory is squeezed in all Annapolis zip codes and down this week from prior weeks. The zip code 21401 has 115, 21403 has 88 homes for sale, zip code 21409 has 49. In the past 6 months, 929 homes have sold in all of Annapolis with an average price of $593,791 and 46 days on the market. This data indicates homes are being sold in all price ranges and relatively quickly. Mortgage interest rates remain low, and with a variety of products available, buyers do have financing options that help favorably with the trending upwards prices we are seeing. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 27th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a super weekend, stay safe, and I'll be here next Friday.